County. Does not include Nicholasville, does not include Richmond. But this is a small part of southern County as well, the southwest side of town.
This is my worst nightmare. No. This is this tornado warning. This is a tornado warning. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God. Guys, you may never see me again. I would like to thank you for supporting me. Farewell out there, guys. Whoa, lightning. All right. All right.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lancaster, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado.
Moving toward us at 40 miles an hour.
The following impacts
Moving toward us at 40 miles an hour.
dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Marcellus, Bourne, Marksbury, Bryantsville, Stone, Toadville, and Bushtown.
Whoa!
Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include
We have the volume on 12
Valley View, Ladera, Stone,
and
Monroe Valley. Take cover now. Move to a basement or attic from your room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
why don't we sit up on right
If you are
now?
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself
This
from
is
falling
a
debris.
This is a tornado warning. Once again, this is a tornado warning. Again, this is a tornado warning.
This is the areas that were impacted.
Okay, let's call
earlier,
Casey.
How much a few hours difference can make.
Yeah.
Thanks
You
for
go
watching.
from, as you often say, you go